lovies, and I'm back again for another video. This video is brought to you by Thomason and a company called SUPHOUSE. I'm pretty sure you all have seen SUPHOUSE. First of all, let me backtrack. If you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 and thank you for joining the 3L gang. If you're watching and you have not subscribed yet, I will give you time to subscribe. All right. Thank you so much for pressing that subscribe button, and do make sure to press that bell button as well to stay up to date with when I upload. And I thank you all so much for continuing to support my channel even in my absence. I just greatly thank you all for supporting me and continuing to support me. I do have new things when possible coming to my channel, so yeah, do stay tuned for that as well. And I also have a new channel that I will be adding on. And if you're not subscribed to my younger daughter's channel, Leviana and Levia's Funhouse, I will leave the link down below because they will start uploading more as well on their channel. So yeah, wanted to come and show y'all these cards. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen me upload other videos about greeting cards, and these greeting cards come from the same company. I have worked with them before, and I absolutely highly recommend their greeting cards. You cannot beat the price of these cards and the quality. So first I want to show y'all the first box of cards that they sent me, and they all come in a box like this, so durable, and I love it. And they come in bulk. So this is a 48 box set with envelopes and seals. You also have your greeting cards in here. The print on the front of the cards is a very high quality. They have cute, like just so colorful and festive, and I love them. But this box here comes with 48 bulk happy birthday cards with envelopes and stickers, folded size 4x6 envelopes. No, yeah, 4x6 envelopes for you to put your cards inside. The inside of the cards are blank, so you do have to put your own little message in it, but sometimes it could be more personable when you're able to write your own message inside your card. And these are heavyweight cards. These cards are perfect for like baby showers, birthdays. Like, they just have a wide variety of different types of cards, but these specific cards that they sent me are birthday cards. So yeah, this box retails for $10.99 on Amazon.com. I will leave the link down below so you can click on it and go and grab your cards, because this is just so worth it. Now I'm gonna open it, and when you get it, you open it up, and it looks like this in the inside. And that is your first card that you see, the first design, and it looks like that. Hopefully y'all can see them very good. It's kind of dark over here where I'm sitting, but yeah, and it has the name of the company right there, and it just says happy birthday, and birthday is spelled out over the candles. So that is the first design that you will get in this set. And then I'm going to show you all your second design that you will receive in this set. And it looks like this. And you have your little black balloon, and it also says happy birthday, and you have the name of the company there as well. And I'm going to show you all the next design. So the next design, it says wishing you a happy birthday. And it looks like that. And you have your little hat on top of wishing. And over here you have the company's name. And then as you can see, the inside is blank. So that's where you want to write, you know, your little personal message to a family member, a friend, a co-worker, the nanny. You know, these cards are perfect. A neighbor, the mailman, they're just perfect. So they come with envelopes, and if you are, you know, if a pet peeve of yours may be licking envelopes, here are the stickers to seal them. And it says happy birthday on the stickers. And your envelopes look like this, cute brown envelopes. And all you do is just, and here's another design that you would get, and it just has the happy banner and it has birthday, but you just write your little message in there, stuff your envelope like so, and y'all know how to do this, but just for video purposes. And I also love including these. I've featured thank you cards from them as well on my channel. And you have your sticker here, and you just place your sticker right there and seal your envelope, which is easy. But I have also featured thank you cards on my channel. If you've seen my thank you cards video, if you've seen my Christmas card video, all of those cards came from this particular company. It is definitely worth every dime, every cent. And I love to use those cards as well if you're on Poshmark business, you know, for your customers. I love using those cards to put in my packages as well. So these cards are just amazing. I'm so glad that I found, you know, that this company found me and reached out to me, and you know, we've just been working together, because who doesn't need cards? Like, I need greeting cards, and sometimes you may have a gift or purchase a gift. How many times have you purchased a gift and forgot to grab a card? If you got this big old box of cards in your home, it's easy to grab one, fill it out, put it in the envelope, put the sticker on it, and put it inside of a gift, you know. So yeah, or even if you're just using a card as a gift and you're putting money in it, you can use it for that as well. So these cards are just amazing. I highly recommend them. Even at Dollar Tree, to, you know, those Dollar Tree cards are like anywhere from 50 cents to $1 a piece. These high quality cards are anywhere from $4 to $8 a piece, but you're getting 48 cards for $10.99, which you cannot beat. So definitely check down below in the description box and click the link and go ahead and shop with SUPHOUSE on Amazon.com. I hope you lovers enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And like I said, if you're not already subscribed, definitely hit that button. It is free. You will not be charged. So thank you for watching.